Hey, this is Joe Hill from Done Right Management. I happen to be at the Fairway Lodge, 805 Fairway Drive, vacation rental up here in the master bedroom. And we're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television up here. Nice thing is it's fairly straightforward and very simple. Typically, all we're going to really kind of elaborate on here is that we have a cable 1 box. Now it is set to HDMI 1. And if you go into the input feature, you can go to TV, but there's physically nothing there. So the only thing that you can be actually utilizing this television for is just the HDMI 1. And that is using cable 1. So going through, you have the channel changer. That's going to allow you to scroll up and down and view. Now, if you do need to change the volume you will need to use the LG remote. And that will actually change your volume up or down. So if you have any further questions on utilizing the television up here in the master bedroom at Fairway Lodge, you can go ahead and give us a call in the office. The number there, it's 208-634-0030. Hope you're having a great time. Enjoy McCall.